Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need two things now: reliable mic input and a capture path. First, plug your headset into the controller or a USB mic, unmute it, and set a comfortable level. Next, choose whether you'll use a PC capture card over HDMI or Xbox's internal game DVR. Pick capture card for simultaneous system and chat audio. Then, open Settings and enable party/chat audio. Set the headset chat mixer so game and chat volumes are balanced before recording. Now you'll route and test audio. If you're on PC, plug Xbox HDMI into the capture card, then the card into your monitor. Enable desktop audio in OBS or capture software so both game and mic are recorded. If you're staying on console, use Game DVR or the Xbox app's recording feature and enable party chat recording. Once connected, invite a friend, speak loudly and softly, and watch input meters. Adjust chat versus game balance until levels sit comfortably below clipping. Finish by recording a short scene and critically listening. You want clear mic presence without game overpowering or echo. If needed, apply a noise gate, compression, or EQ in your recorder. These tighten dialogue and reduce background hiss. Make sure audio and video are in sync. If they drift, toggle latency compensation in your capture app. If you don't hear party chat, check party audio is enabled, privacy allows capture, and then restart the console or reconnection of the headset so the path is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.